Hi friends, welcome to the Ecom Desk. Since I am in this e-commerce industry, a lot of my friends always calls me up to know when is the next sale event happening on e-commerce and for all the recommendations. So today I thought of sharing a few of those recommendations and sale events with you guys. If you are new to this space, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any future updates. So what are the sale events coming up in the next 30 to 40 days on various e-commerce platforms? I'll be sharing all those, and what are the benefits and discounts that you can look up for in each of the platform during these events. The first event is going to be on Amazon and Flipkart, which is called Big Shopping Days or Salary Days or Flipstart Days on either of the platforms. During these event days, you can expect normal deal of the day, lightning deal, etc., and expect normal EMI as well as exchange offers. So there will not be nothing great of that sort during these events. The second event is going to be on Myntra, which is EORS or called End of Recency. I would recommend you to start adding your choices to the wish list and purchase it as soon as the sale starts. I will tell you why. If your footwear size is 6 or 7 and your apparel size is small or medium, then the chances of getting it out of stock in the early access time is very high. So I would recommend you to start purchasing immediately when the sale starts, or you can start accessing the early access window operated by Myntra. The third sale event is going to be on Nykaa, which is around 15th of July, which is called Hot Pink Sale. Hot Pink Sale is the biannual sale of Nykaa during which almost entire brand will be on deals, and the discount prices or deal prices on Myntra and Nykaa would be almost the same. So how can you choose between Nykaa and Myntra? So you can check out for the card discounts or credit card or debit card discounts on both the platforms and compare it and make your decision which one to go for. The fourth and the largest sale event is going to be Prime Day by Amazon, which is expected to be by the end of July. So initially there was a news that Amazon has suspended the Prime Day for this year, but now that it has been confirmed for the end of July, you can expect a lot of offers during that time. So this Prime Day is the biggest and largest sale event and prestigious event for Amazon globally. So what all are they expecting or the customers can expect from a Prime Day? One, biggest and largest product launches during Prime Day. Second, a lot of new movies and series will be launched on Prime Video. And third is going to be the biggest drive for Prime subscriptions. Apart from normal price discounts, what else can you expect? One, check out for bank offers, card discounts during Prime Day. Second is going to be EMI offers. So there is going to be a lot of EMI offers which is not available currently. Third one, better exchange prices. So believe me, the exchange prices during Prime Day is going to be humongous. So it can be expected on mobiles, laptops and large appliances. So if you have any doubt, please go check out right away what are the exchange prices that you get on your current products and compare it with the exchange offers you get during Prime Day. The last one is Amazon Pay cashbacks. So there is going to be a lot of Amazon Pay cashbacks during this event. On your purchase, on your travel booking, on your bill payments and everything. Now, if your favorite platform is Flipkart, don't worry. They will also have similar offers and discounts during the same period. But the difference is going to be exclusive launches. So all the major brands will be launching their exclusive and new products during the Prime Day globally. So that is going to be the difference during Prime Day between Amazon and Flipkart. I would suggest you to start prepare for the bigger sale season coming up in July. Start adding your purchase preferences to your wish list so that you avail all the discounts in the early period of sale event. If you still have doubts, post it as a comment below or reach out to me on my social media handles given in the description box. If you have forgotten to subscribe this channel, please do subscribe for more tips and updates on e-commerce. Stay safe, mask on.